Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you test for diabetes at home. How can you test for diabetes at home? So if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Okay, we have two types of diabetes. We have diabetes type 1, we also have diabetes type 2. But in this video, I'm going to explain the general symptoms of a diabetic patient. Most of the diabetic patients, they normally increase in frequency of urination, especially at night. They have thirst, they have hunger, and sometimes people they may present with weight loss, and sometimes there be a late complication of problems with vision. So when you see these symptoms, make sure that you test for diabetes. So in this video, I'm going to explain how can you test for diabetes at home. The good way of testing for diabetes at home is by using RBG machine. And RBG machine, it needs a strip. You must have a needle, and also you must have a cotton wool. So after that, you're just going to take your finger, maybe this is a finger. I'm going to take a needle, I'm going to inject. So when you inject, blood will come out. So when the blood will come out, you're going to keep it in the strip, and the glycometer will be there. You're going to get your reading. So when it reads, you're having 11.1 millimoles per liter. That it indicates that you're having hyperglycemia. So in indication that you need further treatment and further diagnosis for diabetes. That is a good way of testing for diabetes at home. Although we have other factors, we have other ways, or other local ways of testing for diabetes at home. The first way is, as you know, that diabetic patient normally, for example, this is my urine, which it is about 1.8 mils. So it means that most diabetic patients, they have their urine, it is sugary. They have sugary urine. So you may take this urine, you might go to expose it somewhere, and you are going to wait for organism which might be there. We are expecting that bees they like things which they are sugary. For example, honey. Where there's honey, you can see a lot of bees there. For example, maybe in flowers, nectar, or sugary things, mostly bees are there. So when the bees around your urine there, it may be indicator that there is a presence of sugar in that urine. Also an indication that you may have diabetes. Although sometimes there may be other factors which may lead to increase of sugar in urine. For example, maybe diet which you have eaten. Okay, another way is that maybe when you're urinating, you may just take some amount of urine and then you test it by yourself in the toilet. So when you test it and you see that it is sugary, it may be an indicator that you may be having diabetes. Although there are other factors which may lead to your urine to become sugary. For example, diet which you have eaten for that day, with maybe a high amount of sugar foods may lead to having high amount of sugar in your urine. So those are some of the ways of how you can test for diabetes at home. So when you see when those tests, maybe your RBG 11.1 millimole per liter, and also those symptoms, make sure that you go to the doctor for further management and further treatment and diagnosis of the disease. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.